Houston, Texas, this strange person knocked at the front door, goes back in the bushes.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's midday and we got this crook taking Amazon package. A man in a hoodie was in the backyard. Thankfully, the dog scared him off. I wonder what he was up to. Sacramento, California, 1:30 a.m. This guy was looking around and kind of doing strange things. Not sure what he wanted. Orlando, Florida. Can't even have decorations anymore. Now let's move to the state of Georgia, 4 in the morning. This guy shows up at the front door, starts asking for a cup of water. Can I use your phone or let me charge your phone?
Judo? It's Judo. Judo? I'm just trying to see if you had a cup of water and can I use your phone? Or can I plug my charger up out here? I need a cup of water.
The guy in the black truck got really tired of waiting, so he's gonna try to move that minivan. He is completely blocked. He can't go anywhere. And that's what he's doing right now, guys. It's kind of crazy. Okay, guys, now we got some security cameras where cars, drunk drivers, anything. By the way, this exit is in Seattle, I-5 Union Street, off the ramp.